So Namer's doing a Burning Man themed party for his 30th. Let's see how it goes. Whoa, how'd you know I was here? Guys, what up? I was literally like doing an intro. I was like, yo, Namer's doing a Burning Man themed party for his 30th. And you literally answered the door at the same time. That's perfect. Yeah. Yeah, that's great. Yo. Yeah, dude, here's the tour.
Yeah, so this is the main stage.
Yeah.
We're just kicking off.
Yeah.
We got Dev and Jason kicking off.
Alright.
We got VIPs in the house.
Hey, my man.
Hey, yo. Y'all see me do bent over rows. Now y'all about to see me, what?
Now you about to see bent over rows.
Now you about to see bent over hoes.
Yeah. Let's see bent over toes. Yo! My guy, what's up? Yo, man, y'all want to see my boy on the vlog since December? That's crazy.
It's been a minute.
Bro, you've been traveling all over the world.
Just got back from Kyrgyzstan.
Yeah.
Beautiful. It was incredible.
Bro, you also been traveling where all the Latinas be.
Bro, I had no idea what you're talking about. Everybody look at Chicken Joe.
Hey, let's go.
Come wristband.
Oh, wristband. All right.
You gotta get a wristband going.
Yeah.
This is the wristband station.
Man, dude, this place is set up so sick.
It's so nice.
Hey, what up?
Hi.
Hey. What do you think? How's it look?
I like it.
Yeah? Alright, so we doing the tour?
Yeah.
Let's go, let's get it.
All right. So, first of all, we got Chicken Joe. Okay. So there's a challenge. If you see any space aliens, any space alien ducks, pick them up, and the winner gets a prize at the end. Okay?
Oh, okay, all right.
Okay, now first we're gonna start by Blackjack over here. Welcome. Blackjack table.
Whoa!
So it's called Frick Frack Blackjack. Instead of currency, we got little trinkets over there. You can trade them in, raise, bet, do all that stuff.
Okay.
Good vibe over here.
All right.
Then we got the Big 30.
The big 30. Big 30 sign, okay.
This is the pit.
Okay. Oh, I like the pit. It's chill, yeah.
More rounds over there, and then we got the watering hole. Which let's go around for the watering hole. This is the watering hole.
Oh, the watering hole. Yeah, the watering hole. That makes
That's the watering hole.
Nice.
And then snack table.
I love everything.
Dude, it's like so nice.
Yeah.
Main set is gonna have main stage over there.
Dang, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, man, you never seen a birthday party like this. How you feeling?
Yeah, I'm trying to keep up with like whatever and like 2 thumbs.
Yo, OCD strikes again. Look at this. Not them. They're not OCD. Well, they might be. I don't know.
I am.
You guys are? Yeah. All right. But this is what we do. Look at that. You want to stand in front of it? Give a thumbs up.
This is our art piece for the festival. Nam's Tower. Nam's birthday tower. He has to do all of these.
Burning Nam.
Oh no, a plane.
Wait, what did he say?
Sir, Mr. President, a second plane has hit the towers. That was good.
That was
Oh, yeah.
Some dark humor comedy right there. Let's go, Adam.
Finding the truth is gay. Creating the truth is better.
Wait. One more time. Let me put the mic in.
Said, finding the truth is gay. Creating the truth is better.
Bars!
Also, if you eat Cliff Bars, you're gay.
What do you want to, we're trying to get to 21. You said you have, so you have 12, we're trying to get to 21. What do you want to do? You'll keep going? All right, 13.
Rip it.
One more time.
Send it.
14.
Send it again.
Yeah, go one more.
I mean, you're trying to get to 21. You're trying to beat it. Ace is a 1 right now. It could be an 11 in a different circumstance. I did put down 3 aces in a row.
Send it again.
I did it.
Alright, I guess do it one more time.
All right, 14. 20!
That's crazy.
It's her first time, everybody. What's your name?
Candace.
Okay, everybody say good job, Candace. Okay, 16 doesn't believe in me. Okay, 8. Candace, what do you think I have?
It's a 6.
A 6. She said it's so sure. It isn't. It's 19. Dealer stays on 19. Thank you, Candace.
I've been walking around. Where you been? Oh, that's crazy. It's a return of the back. It's a return of the back. Hey, bro, it's so good to see you, man. We're back, in time for the party, literally. Yeah. And just in time to play some basketball. Is that right? Oh, yeah. I put you in the lead. I love it, man. Have you played this blackjack? Hey, okay, all right. Thank you. That morning, damn. There's a meme template here. That crew that leaves the party, that crew that hangs out outside at the party when everyone's inside and talks about. Oh, dude, come on, bro. It's going on the internet, dude. Shit. He also got married.
A mutual friend from somewhere.
Yeah, it's not.
Probably. But
It's not.
Plano West, he knows a lot of Plano West people.
Yeah.
So, do you know Kyle?
They do now.
No. Nick and I have known each other
that's
for
cool.
a long
For years.
For almost
What's crazy is
years.
we believe it too.
Yeah, white guy.
Oh my.
Whitey's.
Okay.
Whitey's catch on.
No, we were talking earlier.
No, we But anyways.
Why does someone have that Android? Is that your cat?
Sorry?
Is that your cat on there or no?
Yeah, that's my cat. That's Lano.
You know, your cat looks a lot with my cat.
I just saw your cat. But I have 2 cats. They both look alike.
It's just like Kona, actually. That's crazy.
You gotta close out. Any parting words for the folks at home?
Close out?
No, yeah. 'Cause I'm about to leave.
It's only 1:30. There's no closing out.
No. I mean, this is the end of my vlog.
Oh.
So I just need you to.
So
say
you're
something.
leaving?
I'm leaving. I just give me some words, bro. It's 1:30 in the morning, brother. Come on. Just give me some closing words. You know, some shit you learned over the past year, etc. You know, all that feel good.
Go home tonight, get a journal, and write like 3 things you're grateful for. Like, just be grateful for something. Don't let life get you down. Just be grateful. Like I'm fucking blessed, bro. I have so many friends around me that care about me. Amazing support system. Like, look at this guy. Day one, day 4. But like, they're all in the first week. So, find your people, bro, and love them, appreciate them. Tell your homies I love you.
I love you, bro. We love you.
Look at me.
I love you, bro.
All right, see ya, fuckers.